day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Okay, let's have a look at today's lesson. Wow, what a difference. Is being done, has been done, passive voice. This presentation or lesson explores the present continuous and present perfect passive voice. We'll examine how these forms add nuance to describing actions being done. Let's delve into the specifics of each form and practice using them effectively. And once again, is being prepared by Alfred Grobler. Okay, let's look at expanding the passive voice. Phew, that came in very fast. Righto, present continuous passive. That focuses on actions happening now. Present perfect passive emphasizes completed actions with present relevance. We expand upon the passive voice, introducing present continuous and present perfect forms. These add detail to describing ongoing and recently completed actions. It's time to learn the specifics of each one. Okay, let's look at the present continuous passive. Firstly, the form is are plus being plus past plus the participle. Secondly, the usage, actions happening right now. Example, the house is being painted. The present continuous passive describes actions happening now. We use is and are plus being plus the past participle to form it. For instance, the house is being painted means it is happening now as we speak. Okay, let's have a look at the present perfect passive. Oh, he has a little tick already. Oh, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, firstly, we're going to be looking at the form has, or have, what I have, he has, right? Plus been, plus the past participle. Next, the usage, actions completed recently. And of course, example, the report has been finished. The present perfect passive focuses on recently completed actions. Its structure is has or have plus been plus the past participle. For example, the report has been finished. Shows a completed action with a present result. Okay, let's see when to use these passive forms. Very important, guys, you must know when to use them. Firstly, present continuous passive, emphasize an action happening now. Secondly, present perfect passive, completed action with present relevance. Use the present continuous passive to highlight ongoing actions. Use the present perfect passive to emphasize completed actions. Note the time difference of when to use each form. Okay, let's continue. Choose the correct passive form. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct passive form. Is it present continuous or present perfect? Use your understanding to complete the sentences. Righto, guys, I'm going to leave you on your own over here. Or, yeah, I think pause the video, answer them. It's only 3 of them. This time around, I'm not going to give you the first one. You can just rewind the video if you're not sure on what to do and how to do it. But on these 3 here, I'm going to leave you on your own, and you must answer them. And once you have done, we can continue watching the video to see how many you had correct. Righto, guys, pause the video and take your notebook and answer the questions, please.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have paused the video, you've answered you've answered these questions over here, completed the sentences. So let's have a look. Righto, firstly, let's check your answers. Let's look at the first one over here. The software is being installed right now. As you can see right now, it gives you indication of which one you should be using. Second one, the package has been delivered. Third one, basically the same as the second one, huh? The letter has been sent. Righto. Because it's singular, you'll say has, and send becomes sent. Righto, guys. If you had them correct, well done. Because you were left in the dark over here, and you had to look back if you didn't understand it. So this is a good check to see if you understand the lesson or not. So let's continue. Righto, guys, as you had such a great understanding of the lesson, here's some more for you to complete. Righto. Do the lesson, is done and was done first. Guys, to be able to complete all these over here, you must go and look at this lesson over here first. If you've completed that lesson, then it'll be much easier for you to understand and to answer these questions over here. But I assume you did watch that lesson over there, and you did it. You did all the work, and you had a full score for answering all the questions. So let's continue. Like normal, always pause the video. And once you've paused the video, grab hold of your notebook and start answering all these questions over here. And like always, I think I'm going to give you the first one. Righto. I can't use my office at the moment. It is being painted. Right? They're busy painting his office, so he can't use it. Righto. So now, guys, you're on your own to answer the other 1, 2, 3, 4 little questions over here. And once you've answered them, we can continue watching the video to make sure you had them correct.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, once again, I assume that you did pause the video. You have answered all the questions over here. And now let's check your answers. Righto, guys. Oh, the first one, that was given to you, righto? So I'm not going to go over that one there. We didn't go to the wedding. Why not? We weren't invited. All right, not invite gives you a very good clue on how to do this one over here, right? Because we is also plural, right? So we weren't invited. My car has broken. Oh, my car was broken, but it's okay now. It has been repaired, right? Wonderful. My car repaired yesterday morning. Let's go and have a look. Ah, there it is. My car was repaired, or you could say my car had been repaired. Either one is correct over here. John, something the computer uses at the moment. Oh yes, Jane. Right, let's have a look at it. John, is a computer being used? At the moment, Peter answers, yes, Jane is using it. So guys, there you've got them all. I really hope that you've got them all correct. If not, guys, be honest with yourself and go back, see what you did wrong and correct it. It'll help you for future. You know, guys, honestly, you could take a shortcut and nobody will know it except you yourself. But like I've said many times already, it will do you no justice. Because by taking a shortcut and just looking at the answers before you've tried to answer them, what's the point of even trying to learn then? This is mainly because you're doing self-study, and it's important for you to be honest about things. So that is why I always ask you guys to pause the video, answer them on your notebook, and afterwards to check them and mark them. And if you had them correct and you've achieved your goal, guys, it's important. Psychologically, it's important to give yourself a treat. Really it is. Because, how's I put it to you? It's got a very big psychological effect on you. And I do that myself regularly, and it's something you must get used to from a very young age, to treat yourself once you've reached your milestones in life. Okay, rewrite the passive voice. Well, I'm just going to have a look at some hints over here. Righto. Firstly, active, they are repairing the road. Passive, the road is being repaired. Active, someone has fixed the computer. What's the passive going to be? The computer has been fixed. Transform active sentences into their passive equivalents. Can you change the sentences to be passive? Pay attention to the tense. The tense is the main thing that will determine if you are passive or active. Righto, guys? With that said, I think we are coming to the end of the lesson. Okay, now as we come to the end of the lesson, Like always, let's have a look at our key takeaways from doing this lesson. Firstly, formation. Understand the structure of each form, right? So you understand the structure of each form that we've been talking about throughout the whole lesson. Secondly, the usage. Know when to use the present continuous and the present perfect passive. Thirdly, practice. Further practice is essential for mastery. Guys, like I said so many times, mastering these forms enhances your English proficiency. Continue practicing and refer to the resources Unit 22 in Essential Grammar in Use for more detail. Guys, really, if you don't practice what you'll be doing, guys, honestly, what's the point of even learning it then, right, guys? I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and like I say many times, and every time actually, when you've reached your goals, treat yourself to a cup of coffee, and don't forget to buy me a cup of coffee.